Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 41 and 42. Having attained to the worlds of the righteous and having dwelt there for everlasting long years, he who had fallen from yoga is born again in the house of the pure and the wealthy.
Chapter 6, Shloka 41. Prapya punyakritam lokan ushitva shashvati samaha shushinam srimatam gehe yoga brashto bijayate.
Or he is even born in the family of the wise yogis. Verily, a birth like this is very difficult to obtain in this world.
Chapter 6, Shloka 42. Atava yoginam eva kule bhavati dhimatam yedaddi durlabhataram loke janma yadidrisham.
Chapter 6, Shloka 41 and 42. How we are the architects of our own future, this is explained. Where we will go hereafter is decided here. Action can be good or evil. Evil actions devolve and take us down in the ladder of evolution. The good actions can be of two kinds. Actions performed with desires and those that are performed in a spirit of divine love and dedicated worship. According to the motives, whether the actions are selfish or unselfish, we have paths separate from each other, ultimately to reach the same pinnacle of perfection. When Lord is worshipped with desires for heavenly enjoyment, they take us to such planes of consciousness where the desires can be fulfilled, but after the merit has exhausted, we come back to this world in the houses of the pure and the wealthy. All strong desires, when accompanied by intense activities, are fulfilled at one time or the other. When actions are done by an egocentric jiva in a spirit of divine love and dedicated worship, as soon as it leaves one body, immediately takes up another body where it can continue his pilgrimage without any obstruction in a family of wise men of meditation. It is the condition of the mind which decides the environment which would be most conducive to continue the journey. By merely changing the environment, the individual concerned cannot progress. In the earlier shloka, the life of the ego was explained which returns to this world after an interval in heaven, whereas this shloka explains the life of the few who are integrated, whose minds have become dynamic and capable of the highest meditation, who after departing return to this world to complete their pilgrimage to perfection and are very rare to obtain in this world. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.